Alright, what is going on YouTube? It is I, Mr. Graves, here doing another video talking about part of last year being broke plan. I just created a Stripe account. It's really quick to create a Stripe account and it takes about 30 minutes to activate your account here. As you can see, make sure you put in the correct information to let them know who you are. We're going to be using Stripe as a payment processor or a merchant. Stripe is just like PayPal, but for our instant cash strategies that we're going to be getting into, we're going to be needing Stripe in order to transfer our funds to our bank account. So as you can see, make sure you activate your account. And when you see job title and when you see the job title in the description, if you are asking for a recommendation, I would just put marketing consultant. Alright, so when you see job title or description right there, business description, just put marketing consultant. Okay, if you were wondering if you wanted a recommendation. But yeah, just make sure you activate your account, and yeah, you should be good to go. And that does include plugging in your route number and your account number to your bank account, so you can get your funds from, it's just like whenever you get a sale, they send you your commission through Stripe, and then you cash out through Stripe to your bank account. So you have to make sure your bank account is connected, of course. And then it's very simple to activate your account. As you can see here, I already have my account activated. I just wanted you guys to see everything else that goes into activating your account here with Stripe. Yeah, as I said before, this may not make sense right now, but in a couple of days in the future, this will make sense. I'm doing a lot of things behind the scenes, preparing to scale up the business. I will let you guys know in advance when things come together, but just know that I'm getting into a few instant cash strategies that involve Stripe. And again, Stripe is just like PayPal. When somebody invoices you on PayPal, you can, transfer to your account. It's the same thing. Stripe and PayPal, it's the same thing. We're just going to be using Stripe because of instant cash strategies. For one of them, at least, they involve us using Stripe. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys are taking action. All the links will be in the description if you wish to contact me. My name is Mr. Graves. See you on the inside.